clawing or scratching is a natural instinct for cats to take the dead skin off of their nails. So basically think of it as a nail filer. And then also often it's part of a marking to let other kitties know, even if there are other kitties that we know, that, hey, this is kitty spot. So what I recommend to people on that very first kitten visit, we give a demonstration of how to do a nail trim. Just like us, the nails, it's the dead part that's kind of long and curved if you let your nails grow. And then the shorter area is where the nerve and the blood vessel is. So if you cut too close, it will hurt, it will bleed, kitty will not trust you. So you want to, and there's lots of YouTube videos now for this. Groomers will do it, veterinarians will do it. There's a kind of a plethora of information on that one. Basically, always remembering you can always go back and cut more. It only takes once of cutting too close and your kitty doesn't trust you. So that's one, is if you're shooting with duds, you're less likely to damage the fur. Number two, we want to give other substrates that are okay, right? So don't just say no, no, no. You need a yes in there, right? Because as we discussed, kitty needs a place to remove the dead portion of his nails. Just saying no all the time is going to work. So giving a scratching surface, such as a scratching post, both horizontal and vertical, depending on the cat's needs. Making it a place where they're safe, right? So if you've got a Great Dane running around the house, maybe putting that in the middle of the living room is not going to be the most useful place for the kitty to do that. Some of these cat trees are an awesome option where they can actually kind of climb up and do it in a safe place.